everybody, Thomas Flynn here, training specialist with Coldwell+Banker Hearthside. Today I'm going to show you how to add a signature in Gmail. Once logged into Gmail, visit the gear in the top right corner of your screen, scroll down, and select Settings. Once in Settings, you'll have a number of options. As you scroll down, you'll find the Signature field. It will be default to no signature. You're going to want to select a signature. Then start typing in what your signature will say with all of your contact information. Once everything is in, you can then format your signature to how you wish it to look, being colors, sizes, fonts. You can also add a hyperlink in, for example, your website. So you highlight the website, you click the little chain that allows you to add a hyperlink, and it will automatically select and highlight the text, making it clickable. If you wish to add an image, you can do so by selecting Insert Image. It's going to ask you what photo you wish to upload. You can select a file from your computer, browse, and find the image. Allow it time to upload. And now if it's too large, you can actually change the size by selecting how large you would like it. And you're done. Once you've added your logo, make sure that the Insert Signature before quoted text and replies is selected. This will insert your image above each reply and not at the bottom of every email. I hope this video was helpful. If you ever have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. My contact information will follow. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you all soon. Thank you.